Alright, let's come on over to the whiteboard. We're going to go over today's workout before we get started. So what we got going on for today? We're going to be doing the benchmark workout Helen. Okay? Helen's actually one of my favorite workouts. I've done it a bunch of times. It's always a cool one to see how we can progress if we've done it before. So hopefully we can look back at some previous times today and see if we made some improvements. Alright, so what we got, Helen, 3 rounds for time of a 400-meter run. From there, we're going to go inside and do 21 kettlebell swings. Our weight's 35-53, so 35 pounds for the ladies, 53 for the guys. And we'll finish each round with 12 pull-ups, okay? Now, this is usually a pretty quick workout. We're looking for this to take no more than about 12 minutes. That's averaging somewhere around 4 minutes a round, okay? Any slower than that, we probably need to make some kind of modification so that way we stay moving pretty quickly, okay? We don't want it to take too much longer than about 12 minutes, all right? So let's get into this. So for the 400-meter run, if we need to modify or change that in any way, what we're going to do for that today is either a 500-meter row or an 800-meter bike, okay? 800-meter bike. When we're doing that, guys, if we're using an assault bike, make sure you're set up to kilometers, okay? Kilometers, and make sure when you're biking that you go until 0.8, okay? So 0.8 will be 800 meters. When you get off, it should be around the same time as somebody hitting a 400-meter run. Now on those runs, guys, we want to be pretty aggressive with those times, okay? We're not looking for a little Sunday stroll out there today. We want to get right out the door, right onto our course, and then come right back inside and hit these kettlebell swings, right? Now with the kettlebell swings, we want to see these as unbroken as possible, right? No more than 2 sets. So we're talking like 14 and 7, 12 and 9, something like that. If we can't really make that happen, we need to go to a lighter kettlebell to make that happen, right? If we're having some kind of trouble getting overhead, if we've got any kind of shoulder issues or anything like that, let's go maybe Russian today. Or if we need to modify it further, come see me after the briefing, okay? So kettlebell swings. On the pull-ups. Now when you get to pull-ups, same thing. We want to see these pretty unbroken, okay? It shouldn't be a thing where you're hitting that bar and you can only do maybe 3 or 4 at a time. We're looking for you to move a little faster than that, all right? If we need to break it up into about 2 sets, that's fine. Any more than that, we're losing a little bit of the stimulus that we want to see in this workout in terms of our speed, okay? For pull-ups, if we don't really have them yet, we got a couple modifications for today. We want to stay away from banded pull-ups on this one because, again, we want to see you guys move pretty quick. So either some kind of jumping pull-up, or one thing we could do is maybe cut the reps in half, and we'll go to like a negative. So we'll get up there, get your chin over the bar, slowly lower yourself back down for 6 reps, and then right back out the door on the run, okay? If we're not even really at that stage, good old ring rows is where we're going to go to next, okay, for the full 12 reps, all right? Now looking at this one again, guys, we're looking for some pretty quick times. If we need any more modifications to achieve that under 12-minute time, please come and talk to me after the class, okay? All right, let's start getting things set up. Let's grab our kettlebells and start warming up our kettlebell swings, and everybody pick a pull-up bar, all right?